kwanza. My name is Bernard Kasale Gitau. I am a resident of Kajiado. I was born and raised here. I stay in a little village called Isinya. Most of my life as a youth, I'm 26 years old now, and I am working. I've finished university. I've studied computer science, and for the past maybe 3-4 years, I've been searching for a job, but to no avail. Jobs are very scarce in this place, so you have to do what you have. You have to work with what you have. So, as a youth, I've faced so many problems, but not only me, even my friends who are youths also have been faced with these challenges. And I've been trying to come up with a solution. So I've tried to bring the youth together. We form a group so that we may be empowered and we may empower others to be employed and to have self-employed. Among what I've done is that I've bring a number of youth together. We have gone to the Ministry of Agriculture. They have helped us and we have started a rabbit farming project, and it has been successful to a certain degree. For the number of years, I've arranged talent shows so that the youth from around can come and display their talents, and they can make something good out of themselves. Uh, in Isinya, there are a lot of there is a lot of security, but most of the youth do not have anything to do. They just loiter and do nothing most of the days. Maybe they go play, maybe pool, and this has been a dangerous thing. There has been a lot of drug intake, a lot of bad behavior, teenage pregnancies, of which all of this can be avoided if and only if we can make something good out of their lives, like making them have a good employment. The government has tried. I've been working with the Ministry of Youth. They have tried to their degree, but also the corporate sectors can help us much more to accomplish the things of the youth. So I think in this forum I can be of great help, and you can help me help the youth of Isinya and Kajiado. So I do not have much to say, but I would like to have your consideration. Thank you very much.